Top 13 Most Loved C-Drama Couples. Number 1. Chen Ziyuan and Zhao Lucy. This couple broke few records with Hidden Love. Chen Ziyuan age is 29 years old and Zhao Lucy age is 27 years old. Number 2. Yang Yang and Dilraba Dilmurad. The chemistry everyone fell in love with. You Are My Glory. Yang Yang age is 34 years old and Dilraba age is 33 years old. Number 3. Yu Kai and Cheng Yao. Two souls, one perfect chemistry, falling into your smile. Yu Kai age is 30 years old and Cheng Xiao age is 27 years old. Number 4. Leylan Wang and Bailu. Chemistry that made this couple iconic. Only for Love. Leylan Wang age is 27 years old and Bailu's age is 31 years old. Number 5. Bai Jingting and Zhang Ronin. Their mix of sweetness and intensity helped this pair rise to top trending status in 2025. In the first frost, Jingting age is 32 years old and Ronin age is 29 years old. Number 6. Wang Jibu and Xiao Zhan. Lead roles of Wei Wuxian, Xiao Zhan and Lan Wangyi, Wang Yibu, forming a deep, iconic bond. In the Chinese fantasy wuxia drama The Untamed, Xiao Zhan age is 34 years old and Wang Yibu age is 28 years old. Number 7. Thespak Yu and Wang Peng. A legendary couple, their undeniable chemistry still ranks as one of the C-drama's all-time best. In My Girlfriend is an Alien, Thespak Yu age is 34 years old and Wang Peng is 29 years old. Number 8. Arthur Chen and Zhang Jingji. Their couple's chemistry is undeniable, lighter and princess. Arthur age is 25 years old and Jingji age is 26 years old. Number 9. Yang Zi and Li Jian. Their chemistry can't be ignored in Flourished Peony. Yang Zi age is 34 years old and Li Jian age is 33 years old. Number 10. Song Weilong and Tan Songyun. Chemistry so real, it feels unreal in Go Ahead. Weilong age is 26 years old and Songyun age is 35 years old. Number 11. Shen Yu and Hu Jitin. Even years later, their youthful chemistry still captures hearts. They remain one of the most nostalgic couples in A Love So Beautiful. Shen Yu age is 28 years old and Hu Yitin age is 31 years old. Number 12. Yang Zi and Cheng Yi. Soft romance created one of the most loved fantasy couples in Immortal Samsara. Yang Zi age is 33 years old and Cheng Yi age is 35 years old. Number 13. Liu and Song Jue. Pure chemistry, no acting needed. In The Prisoners of Beauty, Liu age is 35 years old and Song Jue age is 27 years old.